Are you looking for the best baby cribs for 2022? In this video we will look at some of the best baby cribs for 2022 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Graco Benton 4-in-1. Color options: driftwood, espresso, gray, pebble gray, white. Key features: the Benton crib by Graco is made from quality pine wood and approved composite materials. This popular option features 3 height settings and converts from a basic crib to a toddler bed, day bed, and full-size bed. Reviewers say this crib is a sturdy and attractive option at a good price. It also comes in an array of non-toxic finishes: espresso, black, driftwood, pebble gray, and white, that will go with any nursery decor. Considerations: a few reviewers mention that their crib shipped with missing pieces. Others say that the paint tends to chip over time and that, overall, the materials seem a bit on the cheap side. Some folks complain that the holes aren't drilled perfectly, making assembly difficult. At number 2. Delta Children Emery Deluxe. Color options: Bianca white, dark chocolate, gray. Key features: many cribs you'll see on the market convert to toddler beds or even full-size beds. The Delta Emery is an overachiever in this area, converting from a crib to a toddler bed, day bed, sofa, full-size bed with headboard, and full-size bed with a headboard and footboard. In other words, you have options as your child grows. And for the price, it's a great value. Considerations: several reviewers mention that the slats rattle when kicked or otherwise moved, which may wake babies during sleep. Others say assembly takes quite some time. A number of shorter women say this crib is tall, over 43 inches, which makes it difficult to place baby down when the mattress is in the lower settings. At number 3. Graco Remi 5-in-1. Color options: espresso, gray, white, white and pebble gray. Key features: the Graco Remi comes with a large drawer underneath the mattress to store your baby's clothing or other belongings. The attached changing table comes with a waterproof changing pad and 2 drawers to hold diapers, wipes, creams, and more. There are also several color options from which you can choose, including espresso, gray, white, and a 2-tone pebble gray and white. Considerations: some reviewers say the changing area on this crib is pretty small compared with a traditional changing table. Others say it took them hours to assemble. A few people note that they felt the wood and quality wasn't as good as they were expecting for the price. At number 4. Delta Folding Mini Crib. Color options: cherry, gray, white, natural. Key features: don't have much space. There's a crib for that. The Delta Folding Mini Crib is just 39 inches wide and folds flat for easy stowaway, making it an excellent option at a grandparent or sitter's house. It's also a good choice if you live in a small apartment or if you plan to have your baby sleep in your bedroom. This crib has 2 adjustable height settings, wheels for mobility, and comes with a crib mattress. Available finish options include gray, white, dark chocolate, dark cherry, or natural. Considerations: parents say this crib tends to have a heavy chemical smell, at least in the early days. So it's a good idea to let it air out before using it with baby. Others say this crib is good with newborns and smaller infants, but that larger babies may find it too small and get their limbs caught in the slats. At number 5. DaVinci Kalani 4-in-1. Color options: cherry, chestnut, ebony, espresso, gray, honey and oak, white. Key features: DaVinci cribs offer Green Guard Gold certification, so they've been screened for 10,000 chemicals and volatile organic compounds, VOCs, that pollute indoor air. The Kalani 4-in-1 converts to a toddler bed, day bed, and full-size bed, and offers for different mattress height settings. Its finish is created through a multi-step, non-toxic, painting process that's free from lead and phthalates. Another important eco feature: this crib is made from New Zealand pinewood, which tends to be a more sustainable choice than other materials. Considerations: reviewers share that the wood of this crib is quite soft and prone to marks and scratches. A few explain that not all standard mattresses fit well in the DaVinci cribs, so you may need to go with a DaVinci mattress to be safe. Oh, and you'll need to purchase the conversion set separately with this crib if you want to use it beyond infancy. At number 6. DaVinci Jenny Lind 3-in-1. Color options: blushed pink, ebony, emerald, fog gray, lagoon, natural, navy, white. Key features: while you may not want to use your actual grandmother's crib, you can get a similar vintage style at a decent price with the DaVinci Jenny Lind crib. It features pretty turn spindle posts and wheels for portability. This crib also comes in many fun colors, including blush pink, emerald green, lagoon blue, slate gray, white, and fog gray. And you'll also enjoy DaVinci's Green Guard Gold certification and sustainable New Zealand pine construction. Considerations: reviewers love the style of this crib, but several mention it's not the most sturdy or durable. Some people say the wood is very lightweight and prone to breaking when their children kick around. Several reviewers say they like the casters but would prefer if they were locking casters. At number 7. $1 Million Baby Winston 4-in-1. Key features: this crib truly does look like $1 million. Made from steel with a power-coated finish, it comes in vintage gold, vintage iron, and washed white finishes. It also converts like other cribs to a toddler bed, day bed, and full-size bed that will take some stylish tots to their teen years. The company states that these cribs are finished by hand, making each one unique. Considerations: there aren't many reviews of this crib and the ones that are out there are favorable. People like the sophisticated design and say it will transition well as their kids get older. A few people mention tiny dents and nicks in the paint. You'll also need to purchase a separate conversion kit to use this crib as a bed. At number 8. Delta Union 4-in-1. Key features: the Union 4-in-1 crib is a good option if you're really just looking for a safe, reliable crib. It has a simple, minimalistic design and will likely blend well with a variety of decor choices. It has for mattress level settings and converts to a daybed. Although it's lower in the price department than most other cribs in this list, it's still made from sustainable New Zealand pine and has a non-toxic finish in multiple colors: ebony, lagoon blue, white, natural wood, espresso, and gray. Considerations: this no-frills crib is sturdy and will get the job done. It's just over $100, but unlike other cribs, you likely won't use it much beyond your little one's first or second birthday. Also, a few people mention that the colors depicted don't exactly match the product they received. At number 9. Guava Family Lotus Travel Crib. Weight limit: no weight limit, discontinue when child can crawl out of the crib, intended for children up to 3 years old unless they can climb out. Key features: if you're on the go and need a quick crib setup, the Lotus Travel Crib is a nice choice. It's compact and lightweight, 13 pounds, making it easier, for airport travel. It also reportedly sets up in just 15 seconds. One of the neatest features that sets this travel crib apart is the quiet zipper door on the side. This allows you to breastfeed or cuddle your baby to sleep, which is often necessary when staying in unfamiliar places. This portable crib is Green Guard Gold certified and is made with breathable mesh for optimal airflow. Considerations: reviewers say this travel crib does set up quickly, but that putting it away in the travel bag takes time and skill. A few people say it's overpriced and may not be much better than similar products, like Graco's Pack and Play, which costs half as much.